Hey guys, if you can't tell, I'm pretty excited right now. This package came from Apple today. And I'm going to open, this is my new iMac, the 2019 edition. Let's unbox this thing. Alright guys, we're on my bed now. It sounded like I said bid, but I didn't know of a better way to set this up just because this box is so big. Oh boy. Wow. This is a ginormous box here. Oh. Wow. Oh, and it opens up. Oh my god. That is so freaking big. That's way bigger than I expected. That's what she said? Oh, it doesn't even fit in the whole screen. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you can tell how big this thing is. There's me. There's that. This thing is huge. Goodness. Oh, it's so clean. So sleek. Oh, look at the back side of this thing. Let me move this. Oh, man. iMac on top. Holy crap, this is going to be a freaking amazing. This is my first app. I use iOS for, I have an iPad, and then I also I use iPhones, have for many, many years. But I've always been a PC guy, so this is my first Apple computer. The main reason I switched was so that I could, I do a lot with music and editing, so it's easier if I do this. Oh, this opens so well. Oh my god, there it is! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Let's not break anything. So how do I open this? So, okay. That seems to be in there pretty well. Okay, there's a cord here. So maybe I'll get that out first. Power cord right there. I can go on the floor right now, I guess. Man. Oh, okay. So you must have to stand it up, maybe? Okay, maybe not. Okay, Okay, I figured it out. You take apart, there we go. Take it apart in sections with the styrofoam on the other side. Okay. And now, I don't know how, don't make fun of me, I don't really know what I'm doing. I just don't want to break this, because I spent a lot of money on this. I'll unbox this in a second. So, I'm going to go put this on my desk quick, and then we'll head over there after I unbox this other thing. Holy moly. Okay. And now, let's look at what we've got here. So if you look, I don't know if you can see that super well, but it says designed by Apple in California. I'm a huge fan of Steve Jobs. He's one of the people I really, really look up to. So, oh, that's so clean. Oh, I'm not getting this very well on camera, though. I apologize. So we've got the magic mouse right here. Oh, man. Now, I'll be honest, I'm probably going to switch this out eventually with a Logitech, because I don't think I'm going to like these, to be completely honest. But I'm excited to, I'll use it for a little bit at least. Excited to have them. It's so minimalist, it's clean, I love it. And then what else? We've got lightning cable, must be to plug that in. I think that's everything in here. I don't think there's anything in here. Okay. What's this? No, probably just manual and stuff. iMac. Oh, and it comes with a cloth. That's super dope. Nice. It just kind of shows you what it all comes with. Very cool. Let's move over to the desk. Okay guys, so now this is on the desk where I'm planning on putting it. I'm just gonna take off the Wouldn't this be funny if this just fell? Oh, that would be awful. I would cry so much. I would cry so much. Oh my god. I did not realize how freaking huge this thing was though. That is ridiculous. Oh my god. Wow. I think this is a bit overkill, I think, for me. But I'm really looking forward to this though. I think I'm gonna love this thing. Oh my god. I paid for this completely with my own money. Well, it's not a gift or anything. It cost me about $3,500. Ridiculous, I know, but hopefully this will last me many, many years. It's the hope, at least. But, oh gosh, that's sexy. Oh, it's so big. You can't even see my picture behind there anymore. Wow. Oh man, I'm gonna spin it quick. I'm just gonna show you the various ports on here. So you can see we've got headphone jack, and then there is the SD card reader. We've got 4 USB slots, 2 of the lightning slots, and then I believe the Ethernet port. I think that's what's on the back. In there we've got the power plug, and there should be, hopefully, a spot where I can change out the RAM. And I'm looking, and there is, and that'll be on a different video. That'll probably be on next week's video. I'm gonna replace some of the RAM because it's cheaper than buying it from Apple. So I'm gonna hook this all up, and I'll get right back to you guys. Okay guys, it's plugged in. I just need to hit the power button. Oh my god! I was scared for a second there. Oh, the Apple logo is a little blurry, but let me get that into focus. Kinda, sorta. Oh my lord, oh my lord. I love everything about this so much. Can you tell? I feel very giddy right now. I think I still need to hook up this keyboard though. So maybe I'll do that. I don't think I'm gonna use that though. But whatever. Guys, this camera does not do it justice of how beautiful this display is. I'm almost in tears. I'm not actually, but holy crap. This is so freaking nice. Okay guys, we're updating now, but it's gonna take, I think it said like 2 hours. So that's okay though, I've got other stuff to do. But I'm excited, if you can't tell. This is the end of this video. This was just an unboxing and just showing you about this. I'm so freaking excited. This is gonna help me so much with everything. It's a lot, like I said, it's a lot bigger than I expected it to be. But it's absolutely gorgeous, and I'm really looking forward to messing around with it. So like I said, I will be upgrading the RAM. I actually have some RAM here. I'm waiting for everything to update though. So I'll do that in my next video, kind of show you how. There's a port on the back where you can just pop it out, and I have so I ordered the least amount of RAM, which is 8 gigabytes, which is still fine, but this is 2 16 gigs, so 32 gigabytes total. There's actually 4 slots and only 2 are being used, so I'll have 40 gigabytes of RAM after that upgrade is complete. Like I said, that'll be next week's video, so be sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss that video. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I know I didn't do much other than just geek out about opening this, but I'm so excited for it. Comment below if you're team Mac or team PC. Now I've got this one back there. I've got my PC. I've got 2 PCs over there, laptop and PC. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.